Mobile security is a big topic these days, and mobile biometrics coming to the talk. That's where we're active. We look at mobile biometrics in two levels. First of all, it has to have highest usability, and then, of course, it has to have a high security. Those two combined, public will accept it, and it can bring a paradigm shift. We believe that we have the answer to it. First of all, for the high usability, well, we take the voice verification on each phone call. We take the face when the user is doing an SMS and allocate a low percentage of trust to that. An embedded application is then managing the trust. Low level increase, drop in time, high level increase for different biometric authentications, like this one here. Highest 100% we reach by displaying 4 randomized words on the display that the user speaks. Each word is checking face, voice and speech. 4 words, so we've used 12 processes for one decision. Now that's what we call safety. And on top of it, it's live detection and replay attack protection. Now, once your smart device or your smartphone knows it's you and it's with interoperability connected to your other devices, any device that is connected right through to your car can be authenticated like that and can be used with the trust level of the previous unit and add trust level by authentication on this unit. Now imagine how many market verticals can be reached with that. Even a trusted phone, I call it an Obama phone, all sorts of data access, it would be just fantastic. Let's have a look and do a little demo. So I take my phone, I check out the adaptive trust level that I have right now, I synchronize with the cloud-based server, and it's showing me I'm right now on 13%. So let's do a phone call. So I'm actually calling an answer phone, so it's dialing at the moment. As soon as I'm connected, I'm going to speak to that conversation, yes, like now. And so in the background, my voice verification is going to happen. And if I am truly authenticated, then I should get an increase of that adaptive trust level. Let's call that phone conversation ended and check what trust level we have now. So here you go, 22, it has increased. And now I would like to show you how this technology with the 4 words could be used for accessing to a data access, in this case, e-banking. So I'm connecting to this bank, keying in as user, my user number, which is 4012, and do a sign in. So this internet connection is sending an authentication inquiry to the cloud-based server, which is confirming the details and allocating a process number. And me, I grab my phone, I go on that authentication. It would of course connect to the same server and would in fact recognize that there is an authentication process open for me. I can then compare the details that it is exactly the same process, click on it, and it would challenge me with the 4 words. I hope you can see how those 4 words are recorded. Fascinating, delicious, customer, delicious. So it's going to be condensed, sent to the cloud-based server, compared with the reference templates, and if it is me, then I'm getting first a message here on the phone, you will be logged in automatically, and the access ticket is going to be sent from the cloud-based server directly to that internet access. Isn't that magnificent? Now another smart thought that we had, we pair this smartphone with this laptop, and the signal strength of that pairing is measured. And if I run away, then the display will disappear. I'll be back in 1 second. So you see, automatically the display has been taken off, and as I come back in, getting close to that unit again, all is set again. That is what we call highest usability and yet highest security. Let's have a look at the final few slides that we have here. So, one or two projects that we're talking to. One is Deutsche Telekom. You know, they have 200 million users in the world, and shall we say we let them have the software free of charge, and the users, by authenticating, would pay 1 cent per authentication tick. Now, shall we say only 10% of their clients do it, and they only do 1 authentication per day, 1 phone call, 1 SMS. That calculates to a revenue of 720 million per year with 1 client. Now, we're also talking to a German car manufacturer. There might be a Panamera running around in autumn with, of course, authentication, individualization, and comfort. We're also talking to UID, that's the Indian government that are doing biometric passports, 1 million per day. It's the biggest biometric project. We're talking with them to arrange for mobile payment over that UID. And in Estonia, we're talking to the phone provider in conjunction with the Ministry of Internal Affairs. The country is well advanced in IT technology and application of the population of that. So we're talking about a project on e-government with EMT and Ministry of Internal Affairs in Estonia. Now, what are the valuables of biometry? We hold 11 positions on our patent portfolio. We have a number of trademarks which we all protected. We are partner of Tabula Rasa, which is an EU research project. So we are well connected with one of the finest research institutes across Europe. And finally, anybody wishing to re-engineer our software, there are not many developers on mobile biometrics, certainly not when it comes around fusing several biometrics simultaneously. Now, one final thought, we have been scouted a number of times. So we've been broadcast on US television. A PageMill report quoted us as disruptive technology, and European International Journal put us into top 50 of mobile authentication. I'm reaching out to you to see whether and how we could partner this technology with your company, and I would be looking forward to hearing from you, discuss with you the details, how this could be done. Let's do that paradigm shift together. Thank you.